Okay, so it's a little, sorry about it being bright in here. The sun is behind me, but it's going to be a little bit to get in here with this air conditioner compressor here right in the way. I think eventually I am just going to pull that out of there because it's just got, you know, lines here, line goes across over there. We got this hose that goes all the way across the top of the engine, and then we've got the housing and everything for it over here. Eventually I'm going to change these orange looking hoses for the heater and get something a little bit nicer in there. So just kind of classy this thing up a little bit. Right now this big block is just covered with all these hoses and wires and different things that are all kind of taking away from the look of it, but one step at a time. So for now I'm just going to kind of work on this spark plug issue, and I'll bring you guys in here and you can see what I'm doing. I think first I'm going to go ahead and pull it, and then I'm going to go out and purchase some new wires and plugs. All right, for now I'm going to start with just pulling plugs. Let's see here. See if I can get down there. This one right here. Ooh, so tight. I think I'll start at number 3 because that's the one that was loose earlier. This is difficult. It'd be hard to get down in there. Try a little different size. Get back down there a little easier. It just seems so stinking loose. I don't know. Get the right size socket. Just be able to twist that right off. I should be able to twist that right off. Okay, starting to make some headway now. But I'll show you it's a little hard to see here. But they're not bad. It's just I'm not pleased with how bad or how they're coming out. This other one here was the one I think that was fouling up. And if you look closely, you can see carbon that's on that there. So definitely looks like it's having some issues there. So I'm gonna keep pulling them, see what else we can come up with. Definitely be getting new wires on that one because I just broke that one. Let's see if I can get back in here. Get that one out of there. There we go. This is very awkward. See if I can find something to put on that. Can't reach all the way back in there. I just need a little bit of leverage. There we go. So I'll do. All right, now let's start on this socket. Should be a lot easier because I just have some hoses in my way. Oh. Some of these just come out really easy. Just one turn and they're already starting to pop out. How's that one look? Pretty good. Just use a pair of channel locks, grab a hold of the boot. It's a little easier to pull. Oh, that one is tough. Let's see if I just I just grab a hold of it with the hose or whatever and I end up tearing it. Ah, there it goes. Whew. That was some work. Ooh. You gotta be very careful doing this, because if you break this inside, we're screwed. I have to have someone come and bore it out. There it goes. It scared the crap out of me for a second. I do not want to bust a spark plug inside the engine. Whew. That one actually is the cleanest I've seen so far. There we go. All right, I think I finally got this socket in here, and it feels like this thing's turning pretty easy. So I was able to get that other one, that second one, so I'm on the last one. But oh, it wasn't there. Come on. But it, I think what was wrong, and I still can't seem to find it. I'm gonna use my little leverage tool. Might help a little bit. Yep, perfect. Okay, I got all the plugs pulled out. Now I wanted to just show you, now trying to get in the shadow. If you look closely, can you tell which one is actually fouling up? Not very clear. And go ahead and get some new plugs and wires, and then we'll come back and try to get these put on pretty quickly because I'm running out of time fast. Okay, so there's the old plugs, and there's the new ones. I always save the old ones anyways, just have them. Most of them are good shape. There's really not anything kind of wrong with them. I just, with some of them, focus in or not. But anyways, but a couple of them were kind of fouled up, at least that one on number 3. So I'm just going to work on getting these things swapped out, and I'll jump back on here a little bit and show you what I got them all done, I guess. Alright, so here's the wires. I'm going to the yellow wires, but these have to be customized to the size, spliced, and then these boots are put on there with the clips inside here. Find one. Anyways, there's these little clips that slide in, and then you crimp that together with this crimper. So I'm gonna get started on swapping these out. I don't have my hat on, it's sitting over there. But by the way, with the American thing, I'm not Willie Robertson, although he's a cool guy, but I'm not wearing this because of him. Anyways, I'm going to work on these. It's going to take a little bit, and then we'll get this all put back together, and then we'll see how she runs. Okay, so they are all wired in. That yellow looks really pretty on that orange, but everything's in the position that it's supposed to be in. So now comes the moment. See if this thing fires up. All right, here we go. There it says, bring the bucket. Okay, well, I'm gonna take it out and see how this thing runs after I put the cap back on. That way it's not sucking in dirt and all that stuff. So get it put back on and let's go for a ride. All right, before we take it out, I want you to listen. Sounds a whole lot better than what I did before over here at town. Yeah, there was definitely a miss on that. So, all right, let's take it for a drive. See how this works. Pretty good. All right, we're gonna take it for a spin. Firing a little bit. I'm not really sure why it's doing that. I'm a little disappointed. I was really hoping that it was going to quit doing that. I just need to get the carbon blown out of it. See if that does anything. Wide load. Trying to get it to open up a little bit. See if we can blow some of that carbon out. I'm gonna switch this around. Jumping on the freeway. Let's see what it does here. Lord. Too much. and see what's going on. All right, I found what happened. The throttle cable broke off. Master Seth and I were looking at that earlier. We didn't think that was correct. Probably has a lot to do with why this thing's been running the way it's been running too. So I'm gonna look and see if I've got a screwdriver, and I might just throttle this thing up a little bit just so I can get it home. Just run it at a little bit of a higher idle. See what I can do. Yeah, so it's always smart to carry your Leatherman with you. I think just at a little bit of an idle like that, that should help me get home. I'm gonna put the air cleaner back on and then try to slowly creep and get it home. So that's it. It's creeping right now. Woohoo! The thrills of owning an old pickup truck. Oh, what fun. Let's see how slow I'm going. I'm not even going to try to stop too much. If it's clear, I'm going. 'Cause I got to get up hills and everything. Put the four-way flashers on. So that way, so I make it up this hill. Oh boy. I made it. I can't believe it. I made it back. Wow. Woo! That was close. Alright, well I got it back on there. But not definitely not tight. Whose proof that is. But it is working, so it's gonna have to order myself a new fitting for that. I don't know what the deal is. No. Whoever put this thing together just honestly are just backhill rednecks that don't really know what they're doing, it looks like, but I'm slowly getting it to where I want it to be. It's still a great engine, so I'm not gonna complain. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure to smash the like button so that I know you like this video. Also, hit the bell icon so you're notified of new videos as I upload them. We'll see you on the next one.